4 more, 3 more, 2, last one. Now lunge to the side, take a step, same attitude, lower and twist. Plie, hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to walk the hands down, find a plank position. A 4th and final time. Draw that knee across, extend. Now rocking the body weight forward, send it back again, drop the knees to the floor, engage the core. Let's try that again. Forward and back, touch, take a bend to the side, bend to the side. Good, 4 more. Keeping those shoulders down, knees together. Press the heels to the floor. And take the leg closest to me, batten on. Skywards, lift the supporting heel if you wish. Draw that knee to chest. Swing, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Once more, send the back leg high. Stretch into those hamstrings. Big port de bras. Pull away up to the top corner of your room. And stretch. Come back, take hold of the extended toe. Big arching port de bras. Look up through the top elbow. Long torso, step to knee. Well done, you're finished.